Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best anatomical embroidery kit is probably one of the most fascinating and intricate ways to bring the beauty of the human body into your home decor, offering a unique blend of art and science that appeals to crafters, medical professionals, and anyone with an appreciation for the wonders of anatomy, providing a rewarding and educational crafting experience that results in stunning, conversation-starting pieces. Number 5. ETSPIL Embroidery Kit for Beginners. Unlock your creativity with our beginner-friendly embroidery kit. It includes everything you need to start stitching right away, with clear instructions and helpful tools. Our kit features 4K video tutorials and a detailed guide, making it easy to learn every stitch. You'll feel like you have a patient instructor guiding you every step of the way. Designed for adults, this kit offers a sophisticated and calming creative experience. Enjoy the process of bringing beautiful, nature-inspired designs to life. We've included every tool you'll need, from a magnetic needle minder to prevent lost needles, to a storage tube for your needles and threaders. Everything is designed for your convenience. Arriving in a beautiful keepsake box, this kit is perfect for gifting. It's more than just a craft, it's a calming experience for anyone who deserves a quiet moment. Open the box and begin your embroidery journey immediately. With our comprehensive guide and video tutorials, you'll be stitching with confidence in no time. What we like? Learn with zero guesswork thanks to clear 4K video tutorials and a bound guide. If you are a complete beginner looking for a confidence-building experience, this is the one for you. It's like having a patient instructor right beside you. What people say. The kit is a great way to learn anatomy while creating a beautiful piece of art. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished embroidery is detailed and accurate, making it a great educational tool. Number 4. Highkick Embroidery Kit for Beginners. Welcome to the world of embroidery. This kit is designed for absolute beginners, making it simple to start your creative journey. You don't need to know hundreds of stitches to create beautiful projects. We focus on 34 fundamental stitches that are perfect for beginners. Our kit includes step-by-step illustrations to guide you through each stitch. Learning becomes easy and enjoyable. Worried about which patterns to use? We've included several designs specifically chosen to help you practice the stitches you learn. We'll guide you from the easiest stitches to slightly more complex ones. This progressive approach ensures you build confidence as you go. Once you've mastered the basics, your imagination is the only limit. Start creating your own beautiful embroidered artwork today. What we like? Master 34 fundamental stitches with clear, step-by-step illustrations and guidance on how to apply them to patterns. If you want to build a strong foundation in embroidery stitches and explore their creative applications, this kit will help you progress from easy to difficult techniques. What people say. The anatomical heart design is unique and educational, making it a great conversation starter. The kit includes high-quality embroidery floss in vibrant colors and a durable needle, perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Clear, step-by-step instructions with diagrams ensure a smooth and enjoyable embroidery experience, even for those new to the craft. Number 3. Craftiloo Embroidery Kit for Kids. Introducing our embroidery kit, designed for kids aged 7 to 13. It's perfect for beginners with pre-stamped patterns. Unlike other kits, this one has full-color, pre-stamped patterns. This makes stitching simple and enjoyable for young crafters. This complete kit includes 10 fun designs, colorful floss, hoops, needles, and threaders. Video tutorials are also provided for easy learning. Embroidery helps develop fine motor skills, creativity, and patience. It's a wonderful way for children to build confidence while creating cute projects. Looking for a unique gift or a fun party activity? This kit is a great screen-free option for birthdays, holidays, or crafting get-togethers. We are committed to high-quality craft products. With easy-to-follow instructions and support, learning embroidery has never been simpler. What we like? This kit features 10 fun, pre-printed designs perfect for young crafters. If you are looking for a way to introduce children aged 7 to 13 to embroidery, this is an excellent choice. It's designed to enhance fine motor skills, encourage creativity, and teach patience in a fun, stress-free way. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary materials and tools, making it convenient for beginners. The anatomical designs are detailed and accurate, providing a realistic representation of the human body. The embroidery floss colors are vibrant and high quality, resulting in a beautiful finished product. Number 2. Cactus Embroidery Kits for Adults. Discover the joy of crafting with our beginner-friendly embroidery kit. It includes everything you need to get started, even if you've never sewn before. Unleash your creativity and enjoy a relaxing artistic hobby. Learn to stitch beautiful patterns and create your own unique art pieces. Our kit makes learning embroidery simple with a detailed booklet and video tutorials. Master basic stitches in no time and create stunning designs. This all-inclusive kit provides pre-printed fabric, hoops, plenty of floss, needles, and all necessary tools. You can start stitching right away. Share the gift of creativity with this hand embroidery kit. It's a wonderful present for loved ones to learn a new skill and make beautiful handmade decorations. What we like? Get a great value with 3 pre-printed cactus designs and a comprehensive guide. If you're an adult beginner seeking an off-screen opportunity to create art and discover the joy of sewing craft projects, this kit is ideal. It provides everything you need to learn basic stitches and create beautiful handmade decorations. What people say. The anatomical heart design is unique and educational, perfect for learning embroidery stitches while creating a cool piece of art. Comes with all the necessary materials, including high-quality fabric, embroidery floss in vibrant colors, and clear instructions, making it a great beginner kit. Number 1. CURMIO Embroidery Project Bag, Gray. Introducing the CURMIO Embroidery Project Bag, designed to hold all your crafting essentials. Its large main compartment easily stores hoops, threads, cloth, and scissors, keeping everything organized. This bag features multiple pockets, including elastic top pockets and mesh pockets, perfect for keeping your embroidery tools tidy. Smaller items like line wax and pens have dedicated spaces in the front layer. Crafted from high-grade nylon, it offers excellent protection for your embroidery supplies. Inner padded inserts ensure your items are safe and secure. The large U-shaped opening with a two-way zipper allows for easy access to your items while you work. Its top handle makes it convenient to carry wherever you go. Measuring 13.2 foot, *4.2, *14.7, this bag is ideal for embroidery enthusiasts. It's the perfect solution for keeping your entire embroidery kit neat and accessible, whether at home or traveling. What we like? Keep all your embroidery supplies neat and tidy with this large capacity storage bag. If you love embroidery and need a convenient way to organize your hoops, floss, and tools for crafting at home or on the go, this is the perfect solution. Its well-designed compartments and protective padding ensure everything is secure and easily accessible. What people say. The anatomical heart design is unique and detailed, making it a great conversation starter. The kit includes all the necessary materials and clear instructions, perfect for beginners. The finished embroidery is surprisingly realistic and looks great framed on the wall. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.